Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Badar Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel. My today's video is a little bit different from other videos. It's especially about DJI Mavic Air2S drone. Many of you people were asking in the comment section about the tracing feature of DJI Mavic Air2S, and many of you people may not be aware of these features. So first of all, I want to share my personal experience with DJI Mavic Air2S. It's an amazing drone. First time I bought it. DJI Mavic Air2S having sensors in front, back and down. DJI Mavic Air2S is a little bit different from DJI Mavic Air 2 because of these two sensors. In Mavic Air 2, these sensors are absent. So DJI Mavic Air 2S have three different modes: normal, sports, and cinematic. But remember, be aware of sports mode. In sports mode, the sensor doesn't work. DJI Mavic Air 2S can fly from 45 to 55 km per hour depending upon the windy situation. In too much wind, the DJI Mavic Air 2S drone drained the battery too quickly. DJI Mavic Air 2S can trace a moving obstacle or a person in three different ways. It can trace a moving obstacle or an object from back and from front. It can also trace a moving obstacle from parallel. Like if a person goes straight, it will fly parallel to the object or a person and will record an amazing video. DJI Mavic Air 2S third tracing feature is my favorite one. It will fly 360 around the object and will record an amazing video. DJI Mavic Air 2S is an amazing drone. It will give you 4K video up to 30 fps. It can also give you 5.4K video. So my preference is for 4K 30 fps because I can't edit it to heavy file, and it also takes too much time to download. So let's go outside. I will show you some of these features in dark and in day. So let's go. This is the example of moving obstacle. As we are moving and the DJI Mavic Air 2S drone is recording video and it's flying 360-degree around us. So here we are standing and examining the pitch. The DJI Mavic Air 2S drone is flying 360-degree around us. So this is the best example of tracing a steady object. I am not controlling the drone and it's flying on its own around us. Here I traced myself. I marked it and placed the remote on the ground. The drone is flying parallel with me and it's tracing me. Here I noticed one thing after getting into the jeep. The drone was unable to trace me inside the jeep, and it was unable to fly along with the jeep because for the jeep you have to mark it again. The drone recognizes the difference between human and a jeep or a car. In this video you can see here the drone is following my car and recording a video. So that were all about the tracing feature of DJI Mavic Air 2S drone. Hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new update in the future. Thank you so much.